Good morning. Welcome back to the channel, y'all. We out in the Everglades doing it once again. Out here getting these panfish in today. But the title of this film gonna be freshwater fishing for panfish. So y'all see who we got over here. We got Mrs. Miley. We got the little Mrs. Miley. And then we got Torn over there. Y'all see it. We out here on the water today. So we doing our thing today. So y'all keep coming along with us and keep watching. And we're gonna keep bringing these fish in. All right, y'all. We're gonna get back to it. Get these fish in.
Oh, you being aggressive, baby. Oh, come on, baby. Come on. You being aggressive this morning. That means you took my hook. You took my hook. I knew it. I knew it. Y'all see this? He took my hook. I gotta do surgery. I'll be back. All right, y'all. Let me see what my honey got. Let me see what he got. Shell, daddy. Shell, baby.
It's a medium.
It's a medium, but the hand size, pan size. That's all that matter. Hand size, pan size.
Medium, y'all.
That's a medium that's gonna cook very well. All right, y'all. Hey. Mommy on. Stand up. Get him. Woo! Now that's.
Mommy. Hey, bro, you beating us out.
Let me see.
Good job. Good job.
It's a nice one. Hand size, pan size, baby.
Freshwater fish.
Hand size, pan size. What you gotta say, Mama? Fish on.
You don't learn how to. Oh, this is big.
What you got? What you got? Yes, sir. I see it swimming to the side. Yes, sir. Yes. Yes, sir.
Got it.
Let me see. Ooh, Mama. Yeah. Hand size, pan size, y'all. That's what it is. Hand size, pan size. Y'all see where we at. Y'all see. Yep. I got to stop filming y'all and get on the water and stop playing. That's what I got to do. Let me get out here, y'all. Yeah. So it's going to take you a minute. We could catch another fish. Mama, you hooked up already? You just threw that in the water, girl. That's a red, though. You can have that. You can have that. Oh, no, that's a bass. That's a bass. Reel it. Step back and reel it. Oh, no. That's an Oscar. That's an Oscar. I thought that was a bass, girl. I seen the top of the head. Reel it.
It's in the grass.
Can't get it? Yeah, that's an Oscar. That's why, because it was on the edge.
You can call him. But he don't count as his.
Yeah, well, that's an Oscar. Yeah, we don't keep them.
Me?
Yeah. Ask me after I catch this one right here. A red. Yeah. Golly, this one don't count. So I'm at number 3 still, since this one don't count. Sicklet. Yeah, sicklet, y'all. Mayan sicklet. Mayan, y'all. All right, y'all, he on. That's a shell. Yep. Oh, that's a catfish? Oh, that's a nice shelly.
Now we still at
4-1, y'all.
4. Yeah, 4. That's all right. I ain't even know I was on. They ain't gonna read. Now I am sickly. Big one. Yep, this is shell because it ain't pulling hard. I don't know now. Yep. It wasn't pulling hard. Hand size, pan size, y'all. Hand size, pan size.
That's my hook.
Hand size, pan size, y'all. Got him. She got him, y'all.
That's a red.
No, that's not. That's a brown shell cracker. If they ain't pulling hard, it's a shell cracker. Dang, keep letting go. Trying to record her.
What you got, girl?
Shell,
What
baby.
you got?
You got one, y'all. That's a shell?
Huh?
I can't see it. Yeah, that's a shell. Double hookup, y'all. Double hookup. Dang, it got off right there. Right there. Y'all see it? Got him.
How many fish you got?
About 6 or 7. I don't know. Y'all see Mama got her shell too. Shell cracker.
I can't turn right.
This small.
Hand size, pan size. All right, y'all.
Something else.
Hand size, pan size. Mommy got one too. Double hookup, y'all. Double hookup.
Dang.
That's a stunt knocker. Stunt knocker, y'all. Hand size, pan size. Hand size, pan size. Come on and take it. Dang, he let go. We out here, y'all. Y'all say what's up to the people.
Hey.
Y'all see my honey over there fixing this pole. He got to get back out in this water. We out here, y'all. On this beautiful Saturday morning, we out here. Doing what we love to do. Doing what we love to do. Uh-oh. That's a red. I see it in the water. A red or Oscar. Yep. And I was just reeling the thing in to check my baby. Oh, Lordy. Okay, let's get them off, y'all. Oh, that's the same man. Got him. Fish on. Shell cracker. Hand size, pan size. Hand size, pan size. Yeah. Hand size, pan size, y'all. Hand size, pan size, y'all. Hand size, pan size, y'all. Yeah. Yep. Come on, Shell, baby. Hand size, pan size. Hand size, pan size, y'all. Dang. So aggressive. Yeah. Yeah, but they so aggressive. They're so aggressive with it, though. Wow. Shell, baby, y'all. Shell, baby. It felt heavy in the beginning. Hand size, pan size, y'all. Hand size, pan size. Hand size, pan size, y'all. I'm sorry. This one got a little weight, feel like it. Yep. Yeah. Woo! Look at God. Look at God. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. My blue. Oh, it swallowed the hook. Look at it. It swallowed the hook, y'all. Look.
Now, Dad just had to get a big one.
Yeah. Oh. Y'all just swallowed the hook, y'all. Bluegill, hand size, pan size.
Doing your surgery.
Hey, hurry up so I can get my pliers,
Been
girl.
over there for a minute.
So aggressive. So aggressive. A red. My young sickly. My young, y'all.
That bad boy really.
And that sun, it hit different. Let's relax so I can let you go. Relax. Got him. Fish on. Oh, oh, you kidding me? You should have knew that the way it was pulling. Cichlid, y'all. My own cichlid. And it got my hook. Let me do surgery, y'all. BRB. It's a small one. Fish on. It ain't small. Hand size, pan size.
Beautiful.
Yeah, now that's real life. That's a shell daddy, y'all. Real life. Real life. Yeah, look at the girl. Real life, y'all. That's real life. Get it, stand up and get it, girl. Get that shell, baby. Get that big old fish. Y'all see my baby. Hand size, pan size. Get it, mama. Twan, you got a fish? You got to reel it fast. If it's a fish on there. You stuck or you got a fish?
I had a fish, but it's also hung.
You hung in there. Changing my hat. Hand size, pan size. Hand size, pan size. Come on, stand up and get it, girl. That's a bluegill, ain't it?
No,
What it is?
it's a red.
Still, get it. Stand up and get it, girl. You got you a red.
Mama just got a red, y'all.
Looking like she's scared of the fish. Oh, it ain't even record. I forgot to put it. What the heck? Stuck. I have to use my other rod.
And I got my hook.
Swallow your hook. Get the pliers, get it out. Okay, y'all, mommy just caught a red and my wife just caught an Oscar, y'all. And I'm finna catch the shell cracker. Come on, shell cracker, hit this line. Huh? I don't know, he running crazy.
I was just cleaning it out.
Right there.
Hey, they've been biting all week.
Nice ass fish.
Yeah. They've been biting all week, man. You got a bunch of these in your bag.
I hope so.
This is a bunch, trust me. You got like 35 fish.
I appreciate it.
Well, Bruce, what's up? Good?
No, he ain't good. He got suspended yesterday.
For what?
Instigating a fight. He was in the bathroom while the kids were fighting, recording. So they say he instigated.
Oh, man.
He got him 3 days indoor suspension. Well, at school suspension.
Yeah.
Yeah, you gotta go to the school.
What school you go to? Kerosene.
have to go where?
In the school. I'm just saying.
No, you going to school. You going to another room.
It's gonna be there.
Yeah, indoor.
Yeah, that's what you get punished for not being where you're supposed to be.
What, CSI?
Yeah.
Yeah, we make them do book reports and now. That's what this should be. They have to do work this year. Get the fish, girl. That's a big old Oscar. No. That's an Oscar? Reel it in so I can see. Reel it in. Reel it in. Oh, girl, I thought that was a shell daddy. That's how I thought it was.
It's not bigger than the one
Yeah. That's going to daddy's stomach. You want to go to your stomach? Okay, guys, got one. I don't know, he's full of hard. Y'all see it. Out here getting it in, y'all. She got one, y'all. That's a shell daddy.
Pansize.
Shell daddy, y'all.
Yeah, granddaddy.
Who called that?
Didn't even know how to fish for it.
Mama called that?
Look at that. Didn't even know how to fish for it.
Okay, y'all, she got a nice one this time. I don't know what it is. Oh, she got a shell daddy, y'all. Yes,
The
sir.
oil on it. The oil got on it this time. On that bait. That bait.
You sprayed it?
The oil, the bait, yeah. Good job. I'll catch a big fish again.
That'll be good so when we go saltwater. Pick him up. Bring him over here. Let me see. You got him. Look at you. Look at you, boy. Look at him, y'all. Get him. Grab the line. You gotta grab the line. Put your rod down and grab the line. Who did that? Who did that?
Me.
Y'all see Twan got his first largemouth bass. The real bass. He got him, y'all. All right, he gonna get him off. Get him in the bucket. She got a monster, y'all. I don't know if it's a red or Oscar.
Pulling like that.
But that bad boy was pulling hard. No, hold that.
real fishing tonight. Going across the pond. I see you ain't going.
Juan said he's trying to get his second one.
That's how Antonio did.
Okay, guys, we just finished another good video out on the water. We did freshwater fishing today. We did a great job. This lady did a great job. Once again, y'all. That left hand don't play, y'all. I told her, what about my right hand?
On fire.
She said, no, you need your left hand.
On fire.
You heard me? And we did a good job, y'all. We got another bucket full of fish. And we always ask y'all, as y'all coming along with us, just keep watching the videos, helping us out to keep growing and letting us do our thing. And keep motivating us. Y'all leave comments and let us know how y'all feel about the videos. If y'all see something wrong with the videos, y'all let us know. Maybe we can do better or make things better. But we always out here trying to make things happen, bring better content to the channel. And as y'all see, once again, she did her thing, like I said. And we're gonna end this video, and we thank y'all always for coming along with us. All right, y'all, we're gonna go ahead and get out of here, and we'll see y'all back at the house. All right, y'all, peace.